President Lee Jae-myung, President ordered the immediate suspension of a Philippine loan project suspected of being influenced by lawmaker Kwon.
Dahil balita na sa buong mundo ang korupsyon nangyayari ngayon sa Pilipinas, ang involved ay mga lawmaker mismo. Pera para sana sa infrastructure project para naman nakaginhawa ang mga Pilipino ay binulsa ng mga mambabutas. Mr. President, anong gagawin mo? Kaya ang South Korean President nag-alala sa kanyang mga mamamayan na taxpayer. Kaya naman naglabas ng utos si South Korean President Lee Jae-myung na i-cancel ang proyekto loan ng Pilipinas sa halagang 700 billion won. Infrastructure project pinupunduan ng South Korean government mula Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Kasama dito yung Panay, Negros Islands, Guimaras Bridge. May pondo na pero biglang nawala. Ano nangyari? Report galing sa Sunstar Davao. Philippine project halted over graft fears South Korean President Lee Jae-myung. Dapat hindi lang kontraktor ang managot dito, dapat ang mga congressman, mga DPWH.
Suspicions surrounding lawmaker Kwon Sung-dong grew. President Lee Jae-myung personally stepped in. The president ordered the immediate suspension of a Philippine loan project suspected of being influenced by lawmaker Kwon. Kwon countered, denouncing it as political persecution. Reporter Pyo Sun-woo has more.
This is a post President Lee uploaded to social media this morning. He cited a report that a project previously rejected by the government over concerns of poor quality and corruption was revived under Kwon's pressure and announced he had ordered its suspension. He added that the project had not started, so no funds had been spent, saying he prevented the waste of 700 billion won in taxpayers' money. The project he referred to is an infrastructure project the Philippines asked Korea to support in 2023.
Sabi ni ganito, ikaw daw kaming lahat suffer from that, sasabihin, utos presidente, utos ni secretary, utos ni ganito. Tapos, hindi naman totoo. Kaya, we'll have to look. Kung totoo, di may problema. Na talagang inutos, pero hindi. Ang nakikita ko, we are all of us who are in high positions of high offices in government, all of us suffer that. Akala ko approve mo eh. Hindi, wala akong alam dyan. Sabi ni ganito, ikaw daw mga nagpa-approve nito. Sabi ko, sasabihin mo, hindi, wala akong alam dyan. Alam naman ninyo yan. Name drop lahat. Pagpapakuha ng picture. Tapos sasabihin, tingnan mo, malapit kami. Sa isang araw, 1,000 yung nagpapapicture sa akin.